BTC dominance is about 65.4%, and right now the one BTC price is about $8,779, and it is down by, you can say, 2.92% in last 24 hours. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Today I'm going to share two basic altcoins which will definitely give you at least 20x in next 1 month, and these both tokens are under $1 at this time. So that is such a great thing. And also I'm going to share such a great thing regarding Switch token, ESH token, and also the Ghost token airdrop. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. The first token in our list is basically XYO Oracle token. Right now this token is available on KuCoin exchange, on IDEX exchange, and also on the Yobit exchange. So you have the chance to buy this token in different pairs, and I will show you the major chart because the charts are entirely important, especially for the traders and also for the holders. Here you can see that once it reached up to 0.0045, and right now the price is only and only 0.000232. So that is such a great thing, and very soon basically their mobile app is live now. I will show you the main things why I am saying the whole thing that you must have to add this token in your portfolio. Here you can see the XYO Foundation, and what is XYO all about? I will tell you these reasons. First of all, basically the community surrounding XYO has grown and matured since our inception at the close of 2017. The technology that drives the XY Oracle network has been created and expanded by the XY team. It's time for a new vision, making available the technology to developers around the world to increase understanding of the massive benefits of a decentralized and infinitely, you can say, scalable incentivized location data protocol. So that is such a great thing regarding XYO token, and right now, as I told you, that their mobile app is live now, so definitely you can see a price increase very soon in the token. Basically the main missions of this token, the main missions of this platform XYO network is open source, partnership matter, and implementation and education real world problems. As you all know, XYO aims to solve real world problems, whether they affect 3 or 3 million people. One of our latest partners aims to solve human trafficking and safety in the Baja California region. So that is such a great thing regarding this token, and right now their mobile app is live, so definitely here you can see it by yourself that use the XYO mobile app. So it means that you have the chance to use the mobile app, and also you can secure your tokens in their personal wallet. So that is a great thing regarding this token. So definitely this token will blow up very soon. Second token in our list is XIO token. Right now the price of one XIO is about 0.10, and it is available on Uniswap and also the Switcheo network. You can buy this token in Ethereum pair on both exchanges, and as per my knowledge, I think it is also available on Hotbit, but I'm not sure. Okay, so basically this token, I will show you the chart because the chart is the main thing, because I think in maximum in last 2 weeks about $50,000 were added in XIO buying. So that is a great thing regarding this token. Here you can see it already reached up to $0.30. So definitely in future it will give you some good profit, so you must have to add this token in your portfolio. You can read each and everything. Basically the future is at stake, earn instant upfront token rewards for staking the next generation of up and coming blockchain projects. So that is the main theme regarding XIO network. So you must have to basically look around these both tokens, and you must have to read each and everything regarding these tokens, then you can add this token in your personal portfolio. Now in our last list basically is, you can say, the news for the ESH token holders, that tonight they are going to get their Ghost token airdrop if they are going to hold their token in their personal MyEther wallet address, in their Trust wallet, in their MetaMask, or for example if they are holding or buying the token directly from the bitcoin.com exchange, then because that exchange is supporting this airdrop at this time. So you have the chance. If you didn't buy this token, you have the chance, because right now, as per my information, I will show you. Basically, I think about 8 hours are left, 8 hours, or you can say 7 hours are left for the airdrop, because after that they are going to take the snapshot and they are going to send. Yes, 8 hours 50 minutes are left at this time. So you have the chance at this time, if you are going to hold ESH token in your personal wallet, for example, as I told you, in your MyEther wallet address, in your Trust wallet, or in your, you can say, MetaMask, in any type of ERC20 holding wallet, if you are going to hold ESH token, then you are going to get the ghost token 1:1 ratio. So that is a great thing. You can even see the announcement. I will share the link in the description, so you can easily basically see this whole video in which Mr. John McAfee is announcing the same thing, that basically ESH token holders at 8 p.m. CST, basically you can say May 25, they are going to get their ghost token. So these are the good news at this time for all the holders and especially the traders of ESH. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.